Hey everyone, this is Katie. Happy Tuesday. Just jumping on here really quickly. Got my strawberry green tea, heading off to work. Went to the gym this morning. Anyways, for all my live viewers, simply drop your favorite emoji below. Replay watchers, put the number 2. Anyways, I'm just going to share with you really quickly a quick makeup tip. This is the first liquid lipstick that I grabbed from my purse. Any liquid lipstick that you apply, if you want it to not smear and make it last, a quick tip is just simply after you put on your liquid lipstick, especially smearing, you don't want it to smear when you eat, simply spray just a setting spray over your liquid lipstick and it prevents smearing. Just wanted to share that with you really quickly. It works for any liquid lipstick. Just take a setting spray after you apply and it prevents smearing. Thought I'd share that with you. And anyone that likes my videos, hit that share button. Have an amazing Tuesday.